An invitation to register in SAP Fieldglass will be sent to your primary contact's email inbox. Within the email, please click on the link as shown. This will take you to a new page, where you will enter the email address that the invitation was sent to. You will now be redirected to a login page where you will enter your SAP Ariba username and password, and click on Login. On the welcome page, please press Continue to proceed. You will now choose an alphanumeric company code of your choice. Click on Check Availability to ensure your selected code is available. If it is not, you will be presented with some alternatives to choose from. Under Company Preferences, select your time zone from the drop-down list. It is essential at this point to adjust the contact details if the first name and last name are not accurate. Please fill in your first and last name. Under Security Details, please do not fill in any information. It is important to leave these fields blank. Click on Next to continue. If you are presented with a pop-up asking to confirm your address, please select the correct option. In this case, we are using the auto-corrected address. Click on Next once again. You will now be asked to complete the Contractor Access Agreement. This is an agreement between your company and SAP for the use of the Fieldglass platform. Tick the box to confirm you have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, either type or copy and paste your name into the signature box. If typing, please make sure that you include a / both before and after your name. Click on Accept and Continue to proceed. Your company has been successfully created in SAP Fieldglass. You may wish to run the company setup wizard to review your settings. Additional users can be set up in Fieldglass. Please refer to the user guides for more information on how to do this. Whenever you wish to access Fieldglass, you will click on the link on your Ariba application gateway. You will be signed in automatically by single sign-on, without any need to provide usernames and passwords for Fieldglass.